Hi students, welcome to the Evershine Coaching Center. Myself Shafiq Sir here. I am the founder, CEO and secretary of Evershine Coaching Groups and Evershine Coaching Center. Faculty for Maths and Science. And my qualification is I am an MTech graduate in Mechanical Engineering Machine Design Department. Children, I am working since 13 plus years for this education in the education field. Today I am going to discuss the topic and the subject mathematics. In mathematics, how to clear maths. So my dear students, it's a sincere advice for you all and it's a kind request for you all. The students who belongs to old scheme, that is 2017-18 or 18-19, this scheme. Is this clear? Sorry, 2017-18, around that scheme, that's nothing but the old scheme. These students have to go with this passing package to clear your maths exam in this academic year. Today I will be guiding you all what are the things you want to learn to clear maths in an easiest manner. This is only for the old scheme students, not new scheme. New scheme students, you can follow up in my another video that is only meant for new scheme students. This is only for old scheme students. Here we have planned this platform to help the supplementary students who have struck with mathematics subject since many attempts. So it's a last attempt. I hope you all knows it. It's a last attempt, and next upcoming is the another last attempt. These are the two attempts which you have all have got. In these attempts, you have to clear this paper at any cost. That is the reason. So please don't forget to watch this channel. Don't forget to watch these all videos. Is this clear? So practice each and every day, each and everything, whatever we are suggesting to you all. So definitely, inshallah, you people may get cleared with the paper. Done. Let's resolve what are the things we need to learn to clear mathematics in an easiest manner. The first thing, children, I just give the highlight in this video what are the topics you want to learn. The first thing, you all knows it, that is theorems. Please make a note. Simultaneously pause this video, take the book, hold the pen, start writing as soon what I am going to say. First topic is theorems. Children, here we have got around 7 theorems. Around 7 theorems, out of which you may get around 7 marks. Out of which you may get 7 marks. In this theorem, we can cut short into 2 categories. One theorem will be asked for 4 marks. How many marks? 4 marks. One question. And one more theorem will be asked for 3 marks. Is this clear? One question you will get for 4 marks and one question definitely you will get for 3 marks. So altogether it carries totally 7 marks. Is this clear? Now we have got one gate pass to clear the paper of maths. That is the section theorems. Is this done? Yes. This is the first category, that is theorems. And next, coming back to the next easiest part, that is nothing but constructions. Children, don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you want, you can pause it, go back, subscribe this channel, and for the notification click all, so that whenever we upload any video you will get instant update. Is this clear? Very good. Subscribe this channel and don't forget to comment after the end of this video how did you like this channel and how did you like this video and explanation. You can comment on it. Still, if you are finding any doubts, so please don't neglect, don't hesitate to clarify your doubts. Got it? Yes. Next part is constructions. In constructions, we have got the first type of construction, that is direct common tangent, that is DCT. And one more construction which is there, that is TCT, that is transverse common tangent. And one more thing I like to say you all, don't worry, sir, how to do DCT, how to do TCT, how to solve theorem. Don't forget and don't worry. I am there. I am going to help you out in all these cases. To clear this maths, definitely I am with you all. Okay, I will be teaching you each and everything. The only thing is, whatever I am teaching, update it, practice. Copy down, practice. That's it. Which I want you need to do to clear this maths paper. Is this clear? Fine. One is direct common tangent and transverse common tangent. This topic will be asked for 4 marks. This topic will be asked for 4 marks. One definite one construction you will get based on direct common tangent or transverse common tangent. And next type of construction we have, that is graph. You have to solve graphically. So this question also will be asked for 4 marks. Very simple and very easy. Got it? And next we have the next construction, that is scale drawing. The next type of construction we have, that is nothing but scale drawing. This question will be asked for 2 marks. This question will be asked for 2 marks. Done? And after this, we have one more type of construction, that is nothing but tangent construction. We have to draw the tangent to the circle. Okay. In this again we have different categories. Don't worry. I'll give you the questions and I will explain you also how to solve it. Don't worry. Again, this question will also ask for 2 marks. This is only for old scheme students, not new scheme students, not 2021 batch students, or not 1920 students. Got it? Okay. DCT or TCT. Next is graph, and next is scale drawing, and then tangent construction. Sorry, not 1920. Sorry to say, it is for 17-18 students, not 1920. It is 17-18 students. Okay, it's old scheme and new scheme. Nothing else. Okay, direct common tangent, transverse common tangent. Next is graph, and other one is scale drawing, and next is tangent construction. Now, only from this construction category, you will be getting total marks 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. That's nothing but altogether this is 12 marks. It is one of the easiest way you people can clear the exam. So altogether we can see here it carries around 12 marks. Around 12 marks plus 7 marks. Altogether 19 marks. Next, the easiest. I am taking the easiest part and definite areas the questions will be asking for you people. And it is very easy also to score. So, I have different options in this. I am taking different, I am considering different areas. Okay, the first thing is it should be easy for you. And second thing is it should carry more marks for you. Okay, by observing these all things, I am just giving you only few topics. So please study these things. Whether you are studying the rest of the things or not, I doesn't consider those things. But these are the topics definitely you need to practice. Got it? And the next topic is statistics. This is the chapter from which you people can score easily 3 marks. Okay? Easily you people can expect 3 marks. Even the chapter is carrying more marks. But I am taking the specific questions which will be asked for 3 marks. That is statistics. And the next chapter we have, that is nothing but surds. Even this is also the very easiest chapter where easily people can score 3 marks. So here this chapter carries 4 marks. It means it will be asked and the questions will be asked like 2 marks 1 question, 1 mark 2 question, or 2 marks 2 questions, like that. But it is very easiest chapter where you people can score easily 4 marks. And next we have the chapter that is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Even this chapter is also very easy chapter, children. Don't worry. Even here also you people can score minimum 3 marks. Minimum 3 marks. Got it? And after that, we can see here the next chapter we have, that is sets. Sets. It is also one of the easiest chapter, my dear students. Even here also you can score minimum of 3 marks easily. And next we have the chapter permutation and combination. Most of you people find very difficult from the difficult chapter, but I can tell you people, the very easiest questions and very repeated questions are there. Okay, the questions will be asked from this chapter. Repeated, more number of questions are there. Okay, even here also you can get many repeated questions. Okay, it is very easy also. So around 3 marks you people can score. Is this clear? And next we have the chapter called as polynomials. Okay, the next chapter we have polynomials. Even in this also you people can expect at least minimum of 2 marks. Even this is easy chapter, you can expect more also, but I am suggesting you the easiest way, 2 marks. And next we have, even in this chapter you have to find p of x, g of x, divide the polynomial or synthetic division method. It is one of the easiest and direct method. They will ask you the question directly. Solve by using synthetic division. Solve by using synthetic division. Like that type of questions are there. Okay, it carries around 2 marks. And next chapter we have real numbers. Okay, in this one definite question you can expect from irrational numbers. Okay, based on the topic irrational number, you have to prove the given number as irrational. Okay, so like that you can get some Euclid division, find the HCF, LCM, so and so basic questions. Here also let me to take around 2 marks. Okay, and next we have the chapter quadratic equation. Even in this quadratic equation, see children, I am just telling you the chapters names, but while I am teaching you, I am taking those areas from where the question can be asked for you. Okay, don't worry. Even from this quadratic equation, at least minimum of 2 marks you can score. Maybe the question belongs to formula method, okay, or completing square method, or factorization method, or nature of the roots. We have many things. Okay, I am just telling you all here minimum marks, not maximum, minimum. So at least you can see here like 7, 10, 13, 16, 18, 20, around 22 marks. From this area 22, let me take some around 20 marks, and here around 19 marks, let me take approximate here also 20. So approximately you people can score easily 40 marks. Okay, so this is the topics, and these are the chapters, and these are the subtopics from which you people can score at least a minimum of 40 marks in a very easiest manner. So children, I hope you all have liked this video and enjoyed, and at least you have got the areas which all you have to give more preference. Still I have many chapters, not like only these are the chapters, still we have other chapters also, but here I have given the very simplest topics. Okay, still simplest topics also are there, that anyhow we will be seeing in the rest of the things. And don't feel like I am only teaching for 40 marks. Okay, if you are doing fast, if you are concentrating more, you can ask me. Definitely, even if you want to learn some other chapters also, you can ask me. Definitely I will guide you even from those chapters also. But on the whole, I can say you minimum 40 marks you people can score from this. Still, if you want, definitely I am there. I am not stick only with this 40 marks. I will be going to help you more with these marks also. But first, let me finish up these things in the next episode. This is clear? Thank you for watching this video, and share this video to your other friends, whoever the students who belongs to old scheme, that is 17-18 batch. So definitely these videos will be very much helpful for those people also. Okay, maybe this video doesn't belongs to you for new scheme students. At least you share. Maybe someone maybe in your family or neighbors or friends who is very tense how to clear the paper. I am not finding any coaching or something. So definitely this type of videos will be helpful for them. Definitely they will pray for you. Okay, so this kind of helping nature we have to build. Maybe those people can give you whatever they get the material. Just try to share. In sharing, we don't have any hesitation. So one or the other maybe are there who can utilize this opportunity to clear the paper of mathematics. Class 10, that is SSLC. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video and channel. Okay, this is a YouTube channel, that is Evershine Coaching Groups. Evershine Coaching Groups in YouTube. Subscribe this channel to get the latest updates